Okay, another situation will be for you to solve for the missing angle or the radius. So either way, you will have to look for keywords. So you could be able to decide on what kind of equation you'll be using. So for this one, you're given with the area, radius, and you're looking for the central angle. Since you're given with the area, what you'll do is use the area of the sector. Okay, so area of the sector equals x, which is the central angle, divided by 360 times pi r squared, which is from the circle area of the circle. So plug in. All you need to do is just plug in here. After this level, this step, you'll have to plug in. Then you have x equals x over 360 times pi 8 squared. Put this square there because that's part of the formula. Then simply solve, do n solve or numerical solve, or you could solve it manually and just work it backwards. So what I will do is I will just enter it on the calculator and I will do numerical solve. Okay, so you're looking at 150 equals x over 360 times pi, and it says r squared, which is 8 squared, and then comma x. Let me see, comma x. I would get 268.57. So I will put here 268.57. So these are just simple steps that you will be doing in order to solve for a missing angle. You'll be doing this for missing angle, or radius. Okay, so the key will be to look for what is given to you, or if you're given again an arc length or an area of the sector. So if it's an arc length, then you'll use the arc length formula. If it's an area of the sector, you will use the area of the sector formula. Okay, so one more example before I go. So what if I have a circle? I'll give you a portion of the circle again. And let's say, hey, this section here, area is equals to 150 centimeters squared, and you are given with this angle here is, let's say, 70 degrees. What will be the radius? Okay, so simple. Again, look for clue. It says area, therefore we'll be using the area of the sector because we only have the portion of the circle. So area of the sector is equals to central angle over 360 times pi r squared. And plug in the value, you will have 150 equals, we have the x central angle, which is 70 over 360 times pi. This time our radius is missing, so we'll have to put x squared then comma x. Okay, so plug that in the calculator. We will be doing same numerical solve. So it's menu 31 and plug in 150 equals, this time we have control divide. We do have an angle which is 70 over 360, then times pi, and we don't have the x, so we will have to put x squared comma x. Okay, press enter. Okay, so it's giving me different values, but I only need one. You don't want them. I'm using a TI Inspire CX CAS, so that's a different version. You, in your calculator, you will be looking at a different values. Oops, it's glary. So you don't see this on your calculator because you're using the other version of the calculator for TI Inspire. I'm using a different one, the CAS. No, you will be only seeing these, the positive value, which is 15.67. So that's your answer. So X is equals to 15.67. Okay, so basically that's the summary of what you will be doing for today while I'm absent. So please log in to Clever after you finish the worksheet. Okay, finalize the worksheet. Assigned for today. Okay, and turn it into the red basket provided, and then log into Clever to finalize the circles activity. Go to Connect McGraw and follow the directions on the board. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.